I'm going to show you how to lay your floor out to where your finished flooring will look straight, square, and have a really nice finish. We've tiled in this room here. We have a wall here, so we have to come out of this door, around the wall, then we have to run it up here, and we also have to go into this room over here. So what I want to do is I want to come out and I want to take my brick pattern grout joints, which is here and here, and I want to run those lines up across the floor. Once I get that, I want to square with the frame and square, get a mark here, carry your line out across the floor so you have a reference line as you go across. Once you get those lines established, you want to take your tape measure and you want to come off this point and you want to measure out this way 6 foot and put a mark. Then you want to come off this same point and go up this line 8 foot and put a mark. Then you're going to pull your tape measure from that point to this point, and if you have 10 foot on the money to those 2 marks, then these lines are square and your flooring is going to look like new money.